We just hooked it up. And I tried cleaning it yesterday, but I could not clean it the best. But we're about to go sailing. It's Memorial Day weekend. So let's go.
So you gotta find your own path. Yeah.
Yeah, it literally looks like a pelican, but I think it's probably like a heron or like an egret or something. And it was fucking huge. Oh, wow. There you go. Is it waterproof? Yeah.
What is it? So nothing gets your adrenaline going, like not you.
You actually jumped over the entire mast or the boom and everything.
That's what they're missing.
I mean, I think I jumped over on this side.
First of all, you want
Baby, look. Babe. Babe, look, Sam is about to jump again. Here we go, baby. Let the camera.
Got the boat, we got Sam and Mia. We got our new motor.
Wow, this is so
We just were at Papa Doc's.
So, this is it.
Yeah, it's gonna be an undertaking. It's not gonna be easy.
Winch handle here. These are winches here.
Oh wow.
I think all the lines that are just like hanging, just throw them over here. We can always figure out what. This is annoying. All these lines everywhere.
Is this a life jacket thing? Or
Rope.
wow, tell Devin. We'll finally
Here's the
come.
anchor.
Oh shit,
Grab
got
it.
an anchor.
Just read it. You hit the boat.
No.
Sure.
Oh, he has it labeled. That's so
What
cute.
was it?
It said folding line. It's actually quite organized, even though it's just dusty. Right? That's nice. It's good.
Just try to set up the GoPro somewhere, Ben. Ay, ay, ay. Okay, so today we are going to pressure wash it. We took out all the stuff yesterday. Now it just needs to be thoroughly cleaned. I'm gonna set up a time lapse so you can see how clean this actually gets. So today, well yesterday, we made this here. It's a replacement. Looks kind of like this one, just a different, this is pine. I'm not sure what that kind of plywood is. But yeah, we bought a router to get these like rounded edges all the way through, and it came out looking really, really nice. Yeah, there's one giant battery in there. Yeah, next thing is to make this one here, because as you can see, this is what it looks like, and it's really coming apart. But I try to take care of it just so I can get the shape. And then I'm gonna make that one. That one has a hole in the middle too. So I'll do that today. And I'll probably make, it's the tabletop, you know, with latch on here and here, and then come down, and there would be a leg here. And then you could take it away and then put it here, and then you'd have your bed. So I'm going to try to do that today too. And put the top back on. So we took the top off. There's a top that goes here. We took it off because it was really dirty. And if we tried to clean it overhead with just bleach and everything, it wouldn't be a good result. So we just took it over there and power washed it both sides. And it's gonna be very easy to like clean it up and bleach it completely. And we're just gonna put it back on, and I got new screws for these because these are kind of really, some of them broke. Like this one broke here. Yep, that is what we're gonna do today. And maybe try to clean more of this, but these in here, for the most part, are spotless. Sabrina was cleaning this one down yesterday, and it's pretty spotless. About these kind of little oxidation stuff, not really sure how to fix that. Might have to go in and just like sand away at it, so it does come off a little bit more like mechanical instead of chemical to remove. We'll see. All right. See, this is the original table, and it's really cracked everywhere. And what I'm curious about, why does it look kind of not a 90? It's actually interesting. I'm just gonna trace this one around on that, and it should be good. So you put that down to the bed and you put it up there as the table. For a table. Yep. So this is it. I definitely need to add some supports to the bottom of it, but I just took the brackets off and everything. This has to be sanded down. It has rust on it. But it actually does look pretty nice, I think. Okay, so we have everything completely clean inside now. This is Sabrina laying in the V-berth.
It's a lot of space. You could honestly fit 2 or 3 more people.
2 people, babe. That's crazy. I
3 children.
I can lay down here. Chill.
There's definitely enough room for 4 people to sleep here if we get creative.
2 there, 1 here,
And 1 there.
and 1 here.
Even you could make this into one of those like the king doubles, like he was saying. So you can even put something there and make it into like a king size bed and have another person sleep in the middle. It's an option.
Oh, if you.
But there's so much room here. It's like a full bed.
Oh, we just gotta get all the cushions properly made.
Otherwise, it's really comfortable.
Took us 3 days of just straight cleaning. But we did that. Alright, let's go. Let's get hot.